Mama wakwaba wafreme ajwa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Me a notification bell no so for more news.
NDC for some sape to me wagana biemo. To me no so omo penu ntro kwan so any in minim seminka no nkola sem ana nkola gro kwan because of one sa politics are yen and nano yen titi no emi say NDC for emi say omu ni nyambie yon who says say baby we ase dey dru no akwenti say bibia ye komo ye bibia ye free Facebook, TikTok, WhatsApp, nkrofo timiko YouTube, nkrofo timiko Google ekoye reti obi krapo timiko YouTube oye fifi musa na wakoko hu video bia na wakoko hu bibi onya hwe sa de ni wie pe o jump into conclusion say o ade we adwin fa entro editing because of say eni bie yaba enti won say obi approach the people of Endea e wo say hu say na obi approach omo obi ti say me ye bia me hu ti say me ko school na me hu ti say me ni bie na at this me age na wa be gina agada ye bebre na o ka kire say ya breni Akufo-Addo government Akufo-Addo a odiska or sorry na wa ko plane su no or jari wo plane su oni ni girlfriends na nsu ni egu yesu at this me age na o be ka kire me say obi jari wo plane su e di su egu me su like this kind of politics no fire politics of policy. Wow, Dr. Bawumia ni nama oye campaign or bebia or kana or catcher mu say as vice president watimia bua president Akufo-Addo aban ama watimia ye bibia ye free Ghana card and the Ghana ni bia almost how many percent of Ghanaians know Ghana card because of without Ghana card untimi access even SIM card. Me, okay, me person me can't be na me ko wuramu deep into it, but the little I can say is that some of us used to have other numbers that we used to do so many things that even if you want to track us, you cannot track us. But today, we cannot use all those numbers. All those numbers are blocked. They are in my room right now. Some, I can't even access their WhatsApp. I'm being asked to go and get the WhatsApp code. And the number is not working. The person that I use the SIM card, ID card or Ghana card or whatever it is that time to do it. I cannot go to him and tell him, oh, my brother or my sister, and maybe a true me do ID card and now Ghana card, I could trust SIM card secret. And to see if our fingerprint, beshe mu mami new Ghana card. The person will not do it. So what must say? Risk is it? Obi krampo ye ma when there. Nese bia ukodi boni. Nese bechi ni pakura. No anim se o Michael na maye di amano. Enti Bawumia ko bebia na wakase we na matimia ye ama Ghana. Se uko Ghana bebia ifie bia obe say digital property address system ewo honum. We nyina ya di ama Ghana. One why those kind of politics no ni pakura or the messages network. Enti NDC we expect the same. Won when you na kan kwan say men kan kire mo kan say yen jai mo na mu nto asoa na mu nya de mu yen won na say mitimi hwe TV yesi occupy Jubilee House occupy the Ghana for enya demonstration omu ye o omu kwan no so nyina ye NDC for o omu pe power 2024 as a power no minim de omu de beye because the omu di ba say ombe di power no crampo na omu di ni ba enim Jomama, why assemblyman wa Ghana, why MP wa Ghana, why minister wa Ghana, why vice president wa Ghana, why president wa Ghana. Last time na Dr. Bawumia bisanu say onchire one policy why from assemblyman to president. What testy positions ni nyina onchire one policy why Ghana for the be kaino Ghana for the be jina so edi ato abamanu. Up to now ontiminka. Obi a wire assemblyman, MP, minister, vice president, president, and you be an intimate stages when na. Name mom John Mama ni one policy bakwa. Odi babe piwa bon. Tisa John Mama wa policy ya. Mu fan pie na mu fanye campaign. Enye se mu ni nam na mu di nsema adwen enfa. Se ye mpini se Akufo-Addo obedwari na odi nsu mu bibia ye ntro. Sure 2020 election ye ko ehwe de mu kosi ye nuanu mu a omudi omakoma hyemu so omudi NDC echi not your mama pia ba be press conference we will resist any attempt to subdue or whatever the will of the people. We have won the election. I see you doing Ketia pia ba be kasa. They've won the election. Sami Jefia pia ba be kasa. Chere se omu nyina pia ba be kasa. na mom na say ya omuko national election a si edun ketia person yi omu chairman apofo omuko meeting ansa na si edun ketia eyi secret APA say adi equity all contest omu chairman eyi nu because of chairman na afeli omu 2020 election omuko ya chairman ko fa microphobia say India na enfa na okofo omu ade we ameka no betimi akọ YouTube na wako type wo ho say asi edun ketia leaked audio in regards to chairman apofo for video ni beba ubehu ena chairman akofa microphobia wo India say ana enfa say omu be collate result no mo omu start so omu collate result ni nyina omu collate it say 5 regions ana 4 regions ana 6 regions ena machine dum ye enti asi edun ketia eka sano meaning omunya result of 5 or 6 regions so the rest of the regions ni nyina omunya nya because of their system went down. Why then would you come and tell the people of Ghana say when we need election no na mo amankrofor omo domo apie wo Ghana kwansu na omo shi Ghana properties because obi wo hodo enti sa wo ka chen say yesisi wa ofilisa yampa abreso enyampa enti NDC fo mo ma yenye po wo mi MPP fo adekwenti me value omo adekwenti me pay omo either so omo mercy up or mo mercy up. It's very very difficult so obo say NDC MPP opini bia pie ababe ka sembia se bia adwen enfa ana ebia wababe twantro ana wababe create propaganda bidia to no MPP for munye sao because of usha omunyina no omu respect to omu ho nipa kro wo plans for tomorrow's ambition ebia ochino person nya asimisi ana person gina for say enti na MPP krampo won say boys na obi krampo be kwa kodi bibi boni otimu so o MPP for ba be 5 aman nipa kro emba sa ukoya ade a eye findi aba ho a openi bia ne odi ni ho ba be hwemu ade ntina wo akoya sa ade no bi this ebia NDC for stress obi krampo na kwa koku an sa uda so party mu kwa dia everything about them is gidi takashi deben Minuanu mu 2024 election no mun wini o mun wini ansa na so se mu pese mun wini krampo a mun come up with solutions oh ewo mu sa se obi a munya akomnya no based on 1 or 2 reasons mo antimi afa policy bia anto a ebia se be Ghanaians de be kan mu enu de mu agya to mu na momo we de mu pamawcho because omo hwa MPP na NDC na rule wo Ghana ha enti we de o wada roma mu ma ya akomnya biem ye enu de obi krampo betime wu mobo na mo be ba na wa be hwe ye hu ababegina TV mu se ye dwari Akufo-Addo dwari eni ska Ghana ska edinsuo egun ye hu na mo akọ demonstration unnecessary demonstration adwi enfa na sen ya Akufo-Addo yi Agric minister ni trade minister foforo mo be ye all kinds of things se mo mpini and a criminal mercy, you people are working for the country. You people are standing for the citizens of Ghana. Nemom echo drew emra muka kotu aba a confirming the confirming sa appointment now present. How many of you went and voted? How many of you? Mo disappointed Ghana for